Hey everybody, Mark Rickard here with the Rickard Property Group team at Real Broker. It is Thursday, let's see, 29th, 28th of August. I can't remember. Hope all's well with you, going nicely in your life. I wanted to do a nice walking tour, just a small walking tour of the Northeast Heights part of town, La Cueva School District. Got all kinds of services around here. We got a Dion's Pizza, Smith's, we've got Ozuma restaurant. There's, let's see, I think Chili's is on the corner, Ross, Dress for Less, Dion's Pizza. If you haven't had Dion's Pizza or their subs, fantastic place. But what I'll do is I'll take you on a little tour of some of those areas so you can see what we got going on here in the Northeast Heights part of town. A wonderful, I know when I moved here, I moved from California in 2011, and Carla, my wife, wanted to move to this area, so we got an apartment here before we settled on a house, and we lived in some apartments. I'll show you the apartments. They're really great apartments. They're not too far from here, but yeah, Dollar Tree here. Let's see, Big Five Sporting Goods. Just lots of services around here. And the school district is one of the better ones and the best ones in Albuquerque Metro. So anyway, with that, we'll go on a little bit of a tour of the Northeast Heights part of town of Albuquerque, and I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, leave some comments below, and like the video. Smith's is the grocery store chain here in Albuquerque and other places, but this is the probably the largest grocery store here in Northeast Heights in terms of the Smith's brands. We've also got Albertsons and Whole Foods, Sprouts, and those typical high-end grocery stores. Oh man, if you've never eaten Dion's Pizza with the ranch dressing and green chili, a New Mexico only, you're missing out, man. Such good stuff. Dion's is a wonderful restaurant. They'd consider that to be a quick serve restaurant with really nice booths and seats inside. Really comfortable, we love it there. The area is considered Wyoming and Paseo del Norte, one of the one of the larger thoroughfares. Paseo del Norte goes east and west. The camera's facing east, I'm walking west. So the mountain behind me is east. That's how we know where we're going in this town. Really easy to get around. East is a big mountain, and west is Rio Rancho and the west side of Albuquerque. So it's a great place. Northeast Heights is very centrally located. The freeway from here is probably less than 5 minutes. So easy to get on. The freeway. Highway 25 runs north-south, north up to Santa Fe, Taos and those areas, and then south down to Las Cruces. So yeah, easy on freeway access. And then all of the streets, or a lot of the streets in not New Mexico, in Albuquerque, actually, you can get around town really easily within 15 minutes. Let's say if you took Wyoming Boulevard, which that runs north-south, you could take Wyoming all the way south down towards Kirtland Air Force Base. And yeah, so it's very conveniently located. All the streets you don't have to take the freeway, in other words, to get around here in Albuquerque. Other street behind me, major thoroughfare, is called Tramway Boulevard, and Tramway is a north-south thoroughfare, and to the north it goes up towards the La Luz Trail, which is where you can hike the big mountain, and then it curves around and goes back down towards the Sandia Casino and Resort and Casino. Another beautiful beautiful spot over there. So those are the kind of the way the streets run. They either go kind of north-south or east-west. And then of course there are a few bridges. I think, let's see, we got Alameda Bridge, Paseo del Norte Bridge, Montano Bridge, and then down further south near town, there's about 4 or 5 bridges that go across the river to get you to the west side. If you're going over to Rio Rancho, you'll be taking the Alameda Bridge or Paseo del Norte across the river, heading west. I'll show you what direction I'm talking about. That's west. Dion's is right up there. There's the Smiths, the Starbucks. Now check this out. Can you believe I already got, not cursed out, but let's just say somebody came over to me and they go, "Are you filming me? Are you filming me? I don't want to be on any film, any camera," and all this stuff. And I was very calm. I said, "No, I wasn't filming you." She goes, "Well, you were filming in the Starbucks." I said, "Right, but I didn't get you. I'm a real estate guy doing a video on how great Albuquerque is. So go back and drink your coffee." Okay, so here's Paseo del Norte. Hold on. This road can get pretty crazy. It's got, I think, 3 lanes in each direction. Give you an idea. Cars come live. And like I said before, a lot of people that come to Albuquerque don't really know where to go. And this certainly is a spot that you can't go wrong on. If you have any questions about this area, again, number below, call, text, carrier pigeon. I respond just about anything. If you want more information on Northeast Heights and what it's all about, the schools and things like that. What else do we have going on here? Oh, Cold Stone ice cream, yeah. In fact, I might have to go over there right now. See what you guys did? See? Now I'm hungry for ice cream and I just ate a Chinese lunch. So, okay, well, we're going to Cold Stone, okay? I hope that lady doesn't come out again. Woo! Oh my gosh. Like Founder's Favorite. Have you guys ever had Founder's Favorite? That's like my favorite, but it's a gazillion calories and, you know, this is bad enough. In fact, don't tell my wife that I stopped here because she'll get mad, but she'll go like, "You're supposed to like be on a diet," right? Kind of a little bit chubby, but anyway, back to this neighborhood here is called Vineyard Estates. Single family homes built in the 80s, late 80s. Peaceful, quiet. Established neighborhood with mature trees. And again, La Cueva and the middle school are right close by. So getting the kiddos to school isn't a big deal. For those that aren't from here, the backdrop that Albuquerque features is that giant mountain, which is nearly 11,000 feet high. It's 10,647 feet height. And also, for those that don't know, they call it the Sandia Mountains. And Sandia in Spanish means something relating to the color of watermelon, because when the sun hits the granite on the mountains, yeah, the interesting thing, west facing side of that mountain is like a granite rock, and when the sun hits it, it kind of turns pinkish. That's why they named it the Sandia. And then the other side, the east side, very interesting. You wouldn't think that, but the east side actually has a ski slope. Up at the top there are ski runs, and you can go to ski, just take the tram up. Used to be the longest tram, I think, in the world at one point, at least in the United States, and it's fun. It's a great ride, man. You get to go way high up over the terrain and get to see all of Albuquerque from nearly 11,000 feet high. So yeah, this is Vineyard Estates. The Cueva High School is right there. It's a huge school. I can't remember last count. I heard somewhere in the neighborhood of over 3,000 students. Great football program, basketball program. And then you've got these other neighborhoods tucked in right near the Cueva. We're on Alameda, which goes all the way across to the west side. On our left is Stone Age Climbing Gym. If you have adults or kids that like to do rock climbing, there it is. And then we've got Tin Can Alley over here, which is, they took containers and made a food court out of it. Really great concept, you know. They have craft beer in there. They've got Vietnamese food. Santa Fe Brewing is there. Let's see, and then they just built this Whataburger on the corner here. So yeah, these are new apartments over here. And we've got some car dealerships, the Mercedes, Porsche, Audi dealer tucked back in there, Toyota. And yeah, so this is Highway 528, which takes you to the west side of Albuquerque, over the river, the Rio Grande River, and into Rio Rancho, okay? I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Short, packed with some info. You need information on Albuquerque, Santa Fe, Taos, Las Cruces, anywhere in New Mexico. Our team can help you. Contact info below, call, text, and we will be looking forward to talking with you and also meeting you. And until the next time, you guys have a fantastic day, all right? Thanks again for watching, and take care. Bye.